Mother Nature has come back. Eyes of sorrow, tears of black. She has come back to explain her first disguise with just one eye. The eye is cascading waterfalls of tears. See what you've done to everyone, to all of us, for all these years. What are we thinking, human beings? Are you intent to kill us all? Because I am getting tired of the way you treat us all. I'm tired of all the killing, all the creatures that are gone. Well, you all think they're gone. Never mind. You'll try to find them. If I tell you, I still have one, which means I have two of everything. And they began to come back. But you won't find them. They are well hidden till the evil, which is almost gone on this earth, is completely done. Yes, Mother felt she must apologize for the hurricanes and winds and waves to clean. We have to clean the world. We have to take out the sins. We have to take out all the people in the Caribbean who live there and love there and pray there and hope there and worship their God, and have to lie every single day, every time a new cruise ship docks, because every time they're asked, "Oh, do you make this jewelry yourself?" And they are forced to say, "Yes, of course we do. Would you like an anklet or a bracelet or a necklace or..." Every single time they encounter a tourist. Of course they don't. It all comes from the Philippines. So those wonderful, beautiful, gentle people who live very, very, very much in a cooperative and peaceful manner with Mother Nature and God and their sky and their ocean, until they were invaded by greed. It's the greed that has to go. It must be cleansed. My hurricane was not stalled over the Bahamas. There were so many layers and deep down, deep down, deep down, deep down lying, and generations of lying by now. And deep down greed. There is no need for greed. What are you going to take when God takes you back? What are you going to take with you? Your fancy little yacht? Think you're going to fly to heaven on your, pretty shiny private jet? Well, no, you probably aren't. Think about this. Do you have children? Grandchildren? Great-grandchildren? Mothers, fathers, sisters, brothers, aunts, uncles? Any of the above? Do they have any of your love? Do you think many of them might ever have to go to bed hungry and needy and wondering where the next jug of milk for their family might come from? What are we thinking? I know what I'm thinking, and I'll tell you one of my secrets as Mother Nature. And then I will be gone from you and may not come back until you improve yourselves. My eyes are my birds. My birds are my eyes. My eyes are my birds. My birds are my eyes. This is why my first disguise was as a one-eyed bird with a waterfall of tears from the other eye, for the great, great sorrow of what we've done to our world, our children in it. We're not allowed to be in it because they get killed up to 8 months in the womb. I'm sorry, I will try to. See, New York is going to take a pounding of some kind because that law came from New York. I'm sorry, New York. There's a heck of a lot of greed and sin, and all the kinds of things you could ever think about and sin about are based in New York City. So I'm sorry about what's about to happen to you. I must go and cry.